Welcome back to Code Dev Pay Academy. In our last lesson, we explored referencing and indexing, which help structure documents and organize citations effectively. Today, we're moving on to three powerful features that improve productivity in Microsoft Word: templates, collaboration, and review. These tools allow you to create consistent, reusable document layouts, work with others in real time, and track changes efficiently. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, mastering these features will significantly enhance your document workflow. Let's get started. Templates in Microsoft Word. What are templates? Templates are pre-designed documents that you or someone else creates to use as a pattern for a project. Common types of templates include business letters, resumes, brochures, reports, invitations. The template contains a specific layout, style, design, and sometimes fields and text that are common to every use of that template. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use templates to save time and maintain uniformity across different projects. Accessing MS Word templates. Open MS Word and select New from the File ribbon. Peruse the suggested search categories: business, personal, industry, design sets, events, education, or letters. Select any category of your choice. Word displays a message that says, "Searching thousands of online templates." Word displays template search results on screen, plus a comprehensive list of categories in a scrolling panel on the right. Scroll down the page or choose a different category, then select a template that fits your current project. Modifying a template. Once you've selected a template, you can change the fonts, colors, and styles. Add or remove text placeholders and images. Insert logos, footers, or headers to customize it for your brand. These can be done by using the formatting techniques that we have discussed in the previous lessons. Creating a template in MS Word. Custom templates can be simple or complex as needed. For example, you might create a template for your company's newsletter, posters for a seminar, or invitations for corporate events. You can also create interactive templates to load on the intranet, so that others can fill in the blanks to print their own envelopes and letterhead, for instance. To create a template, first create a document, design and format it, add graphics and photos. If it is interactive, select Control from the Developer tab and create custom input fields for user interaction. Now, let's create a simple template based on what we have learned in the previous lessons. After designing your template, you need to save it so that it can be used again. To save a template, select File. Select Save As. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Save As type. Choose WordTemplate.x. Type file name in the file name text box. Click on Save. You can now reuse this template whenever you need it. Here is how our template turned out. I saved it in .pdf format so that we can see all the elements clearly. Let's move on to the second part of this lesson, collaboration and review. Microsoft Word has a feature that allows multiple users or authors to work and edit on one document at the same time. People editing the same document can see each other's keystrokes in real time. For this to be possible, all users must have a Microsoft account. The Microsoft account is linked to all of Microsoft Office applications such as Word, Excel, Access, etc. After creating a Microsoft account, it is automatically linked to your OneDrive account. OneDrive is a cloud-based storage that you get when you set up a Microsoft account. There are other cloud-based storages such as Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, etc. But for this lesson, the focus will be on OneDrive. To collaborate with other users, you first need to share the document so that you can co-edit with other users. To share a document, click Share on the ribbon or go to File, then Share. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators. Select Can Edit to allow them to make changes or can view for read-only access. Click Send to share the document. CO Editing. A document. After sharing a document, you can now work on that file with other users at the same time. Under Share, you will see the names of who else is editing the file. Colored flags will indicate where each person is working. Autosave ensures all changes are updated instantly. Tracking changes in a document. Tracking changes allows you to see and approve or reject edits made by collaborators. To enable it, click on the Review tab. Select Track Changes. As edits are made, Word will highlight modifications. Use the Accept or Reject options to approve or dismiss changes. Comparing and protecting documents. The Compare feature allows you to compare two versions of a document. The Protect Document feature adds security by preventing unauthorized changes. Today, we covered how to use and modify templates to create professional documents, how to share and co-edit documents in real time, how to track and review changes for efficient editing. These features help improve workflow, save time, and ensure high-quality documents. Thank you for learning with Code DevPay Academy.